Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be on when you buy a brand new USB drive, just how to prepare it before you use it, because there could be something wrong with it, and you could be putting all your files in there, and something may go wrong. It's not right, it's not working, and I'm just going to show you how to prepare it before you use it. Okay, we're going to click on File Explorer. We're going to click on this PC, and here's the drive here, the one that we're going to be working on here. It's called Rock, and it's the G drive. Okay, I'm going to right click Format, and just pick your format that you want. And this one I'm going to pick F32, FAT32. But you can pick exFAT if you need it for Mac and Linux. If you just need it for Windows, just pick NTFS. Okay. Less than 32 gigabytes, you pick FAT32. Okay. Click Start. Click OK. Okay, it's complete. Click OK. Close. We're just going to click out. And we're just going to go over here to search and type in disk management. I have it over here, create format hard disk. I'm going to click on that. And here's my USB drive here, Rock G drive. Click on that. And you just want to check here if you have any partitions, extra partitions. If you do, you could be buying an off brand and somebody put an extra partition there. Could be malware or something. What you would do is you right click and delete both partitions, and then create a new simple volume with the amount of what you had on the USB. In this case, it's 7.48 gigabytes on mine. Yours is going to be different, obviously. Okay. And then you press OK. Okay, now we're going to click on File Explorer again. Click on this PC. Right click on the drive. Click on Properties this time. Click on Tools. And we're just going to check the disk for errors. See if it has any errors. Okay, click Check. Click Scan and repair the drive. Okay, scanning for any errors. It'll repair it. Okay, your drive was successfully scanned. Okay, there was no errors, it says. Close out. Close out of this. And that's it. And what I would do is, one extra thing that I usually do is I put a song on it and I see how the song plays. If it's playing normal, it's a good USB drive. If it's not playing well, then I would try it again. I would try to fix it again, go through these steps. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's no good. Don't bother using it. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Hope this helped. We'll see you in the next one.